the way I see it, you can either watch all those other boring channels like you do, or fucking subscribe to this channel and, you know, watch some cool shit. It's up to you. I'm in Jõhvi, Estonia, and then there's this, like, just in the middle of the parking lot. So is this a sign that I should go to Britain and grab myself something? It's Wednesday, 6th of July, and it's 3:47. The year is 2022, and I'm walking to pick up this Bolt Drive here. Well, I jumped in the Bolt Drive, obviously, to drive into the Tallinn airport. So you might be asking where we're heading now. I have no idea myself too. But I brought my bottle carrying bag. If you know what it is. Tere Noormaal, kuidas teie lend kulges?
Meil kulges väga hästi, minu kihlatu magas, kohaleme Disneylandis, lähme sõidame tassikestes ringi ja Joonas läheb ostab auto.
Mama, I'm going to Disneyland!
Yeah, baby.
Oof, look at the price of the potato salad. €6, motherfucking hell. Elliot, I'm coming for those beefy boys. Get your beefy boys ready. Oi, where might I be now? So, I'm finally in the ye old England, and consumer advice, or whatever it is, traveler's advice, no problem in getting into ye old England. Border control was automatic for EU citizens, and it took like 5 minutes, at least in Gatwick. So, but no bus until 12:55, and it's like 10 a.m. So just sitting here drinking a Monster, waiting for the bus. Somewhere off A4, just before Bristol, in a service station, and I'm heading now towards the right direction and towards the goal of this trip of, surprise surprise, getting a car. Woohoo! Basically, I've been on the spot for a day and a half now. Just got this package in. I got the braided brakes line for the Type R, but haven't managed to buy anything. And I've viewed like one car out of 4, so things are not going too spiffingly, but I hope to make something happen today. I should be able to view this car in an hour, but the guy has gone cold on me, so not doing too good, but far from hopeless. There's plenty of cars, but at the moment I really want to nab that Type R, you know. Yeah. Kuule Pätt, ei hammusta mind. Of this place where we are. So what is this, Shannon? What did you do here?
It's National Trust.
And why did you bring me here?
Because you need to do some exercise.
Okay, well, yeah, thanks, man. I'm not gonna film myself in this clip, but just a nice view. Anyhow, I arrived in England on Wednesday, got to Plymouth on Wednesday evening, and didn't manage to buy a car locally, but tomorrow is Sunday. I think I can pick one up from London, get some wheels under my ass, and then the real adventure starts. So just a little check-in, and yes, it's Saturday today, if it matters in any way. This is the Tamar Bridge. It takes you from Devon to Cornwall, and by Estonian standards this is a huge ass river with a really nice view. The view to the other side may be a bit better, but I mean, I don't think there's a river this big in Estonia anywhere. So it just goes out into the, I think it's called Irish Sea, but you know, Atlantic Ocean in broader sense. maybe some of you people have not been to UK. So I'm gonna show you. This is a thing called a service station. There's no service here. It's just a little place where you can buy a whole lot of crap from or food. So now you know there's like KFC and coffee and Burger King and some more shit like that. So luckily bus is halfway to London today and we're taking a little break here to recharge my phone and take a piss. Look at them, they're really rich people. They're taking a taxi in London. Okay, they spot us. Covertly following her taxi ride. Let's try to stay secret. Here. We've been standing here for some time. I'm just watching these guys and I'm just thinking that the house behind them, that the person's house is just the door and the window. It's so narrow, would never work in Estonia. Alright lads, I'm gonna enjoy this too much. I just hired a Boris bike and it's gonna be a 50-minute bike ride to where I need to go. So hell yeah, let's turn and burn. Hell yeah, bros, welcome to London.
Seems to me like they need to get punched. Yeah, but where you gonna punch them? Yo, the choice is obvious. I'll punch you in the jeans. I'll punch you in the jeans. This is not a case of men versus machines. You think that you're safe? Thought you got away clean. I'll roll up on you smooth and punch you in the jeans. Got my fist clenched. Gonna throw a haymaker. Rocking the slack from here to Jamaica. Shaking your bones cause I'm the earthquaker. Bringing those jeans round here.
Yeah, it's just a random Sunday night. I'm just biking here. So yeah, JJ's Automotive is buying a car here, but actually I've been here like a couple of times, so I don't want to waste too much time on doing this bullshit, so I gotta get pedaling. It's like 10 kilometers to ride still. Yeah, so you can keep watching all those fun channels when they drift around some parking lot, or you can subscribe to my channel. Doesn't fucking matter to me. It's all up to you. I've been following this girl. She goes decently fast, but it's pretty hard on this bike. Biking is hard. I've fully sweat myself. But if there's any West Ham United fans, that's West Ham United for you. Made it, boys. Stratford City Station is just behind the corner. I already was there. Go across the road now and let's see. Maybe I can find the Stratford City bus station. So let's wait for the car. There it comes, you can already see it. Let's see if it's gonna be my car or not. It's turning in, so I'll walk closer. This is my first official drive. Mr. Ferrari man is also out. But yeah, nothing to see here, but you know, London. Yeah, I'm driving. I'm a Honda man with a Honda plan. Oh shit, the other Honda was down. Alright, Alright lads, this is my new car. Yeah, wanted to get this some time ago, but now I'm an owner of Civic Type R. And first tank of fuel is 49 liters and 92 quid. So let's just jump in the damn car, start driving. I'm gonna only drive like almost 4,000 kilometers by the time I get home. So it's gonna be fun, no doubt. And I think this one is without the cruise control. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna close the door and let's make trip A our current trip, and trip B will be all-time trip. So let's see what's the fuel consumption in trip B at the end of the trip, and trip A is just running fuel consumption. This is me somewhere near London and I'm gonna start driving. I better start driving.
Speed trap reported ahead.
Okay, sit rep time. So Car and I have been friends for a little bit now. Mr. Car doesn't have a cruise control, which is a catastrophe as far as this trip goes, but whatever, we'll soldier through it. And as you can see, I'm trying to do 75 miles an hour, and the thing will do 40 mpg. It will run for free as far as I'm concerned, so that's epic. But yeah, I got a lot of way to go, so I just got a whole ass. That's it. A lot of hauling ass ahead of me. Can't miss this. It's 125,000 miles exactly. Woo-wee. Actually, not much to report. Still going strong. We're at Bristol, so happy days. Only hour and 54 to go.
What day is it? I've lost my fucking memory. Bling master, Mike Enforcer. Face junkies, what I am.
Quick break, not in the chill, but whatever. I was too lazy to film. $1.50 to go. That's kilometers, luckily, not miles. And I'm gonna blast towards the moon. Hey, hey, yeah, brother. Kilometers on the wall, 99 kilometers on the wall. Take one down and pass it around. 98 kilometers on the wall, whatever. Sorry. Also, that big circle up there, that's the moon. Driving right into the moon. Mr. Moon. Just outside of Exeter. Ooh, let's see if I'm visible. Let's turn this on. I have no idea. Whew. It's been a hell of a ride. Really tired already, but last push, 46 minutes to go. So, what is it now? 2 a.m. Whatever. Let's keep going. Just before getting to the Plymouth here. There's this cool little section which is kind of like Nürburgring. I'm just gonna drive it, can't film it, but it's about to come up. Helps to keep the sleep away. It starts now. Yeah, corner's coming up. I'm gonna drive just in case.
Now let's run and get back. More like a taxi cab. Yeah, where are the tricks to track?